viewers, welcome to my channel Gourmet's Delight, and this is Faiza. If you like my recipes, please do subscribe to my channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to make smoked chicken mandi to give you a feel of Arabia. This is the spice mix for the mandi, or you can call it as mandi masala. I'm going to take 1 dry lemon, 2 cinnamon sticks, 7 to 8 cardamom pods, 7 to 8 cloves, 2 tablespoon coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, and 1 teaspoon ginger powder. I'm going to grind this to a fine powder. The lemon, I'm not going to add it directly because it has seeds, and if I add it directly it will become bitter. I'm going to remove the seeds. Now I'm going to add this. And I'm going to grind this to a fine powder, not paste. This is the spice mix for the mandi. You can store this, you can make this, and you can also store this and use it for later on. So let's get started. I have kept a pot on medium-high heat. Now I'm going to add half cup oil, 2 medium onions sliced. I'm going to saute this and wait for the onions to turn slightly golden in color. Now I'm going to add 2 cinnamon sticks, 5 cardamom pods, and 5 cloves, 1 teaspoon black peppercorns. The onions have changed their color now. Now I'm going to add 1/4 cup golden raisins. Fry them nicely. The raisins are done. Now I'm going to add 1 dry lemon. This is optional. If you don't have lemon, you omit this. In most of the Mediterranean cuisines, lemon is added, dry lemon. It's added in mandi, kabsa, and many dishes. Now into this I'm going to add 5 cups of water. And I'm going to cook this until it comes to boil. Meanwhile, what I'm going to do is I've taken 1 kilogram of chicken cut into large pieces, this much big. And now I'm going to make a slit over here. Just a tiny slit. That's it. Into this I'm going to add this chicken pieces, and I'm going to cook this for 8 to 10 minutes. I don't want the chicken to soften. I'm going to cover this. I have 3 cups basmati rice soaked in water for half an hour. Let's check our chicken. It's 8 to 10 minutes now and the chicken is done. I did not cook the chicken completely. I wanted it to cook only 40%. I added the chicken because I wanted the chicken to release its flavor. Now let's take out the chicken from this. After removing the chicken, now I'm going to add the basmati rice. To this add salt as required. Actually I forgot to add the salt. Before adding the chicken you're supposed to add the salt, but it's okay. Now I'm going to add and stir it nicely. Now I want the rice to cook completely. It might take around 12 to 15 minutes. Now I'm going to add this. This is saffron dilute. I had taken a pinch of saffron powder in a teaspoon of water. If you don't have saffron powder, you can also take quarter teaspoon saffron and 1 tablespoon lukewarm water and just keep it for 3 to 4 minutes, and later on you can just add that. Now let's prepare the marination for the chicken. I have taken half teaspoon of saffron and soaked in water, in lukewarm water. 1 tablespoon lukewarm water and half teaspoon saffron. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon salt over here into the chicken, and now I'm going to add this, and I'm going to rub this nicely. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon spice mix, the one which we prepared, the Mandi masala, and I'm going to rub this nicely. And I'm going to leave this for marination for 15 minutes to 20 minutes. Our rice. Our rice is done completely. Now what I'm going to do is, I've taken a barbecue rack, I've opened this, and now I'm going to place the chicken on top of this. If you don't have this, you can also pan fry the chicken. Since we had already boiled the chicken, it will not take much time. I have just kept it on low flame now. Now I'm going to just brush this with some oil. I'm brushing it with olive oil. If you want, you can use any other oil. I'm going to close this. Each side I'm going to fry for 4 to 5 minutes. I just want that barbecue texture and taste. Now I'm going to flip this. And I'm going to brush some oil again over here. The chicken is done now. Now I'm going to switch off the flame and I'm going to remove the chicken. So let's do our plating. I have taken my serving plate. Into this I'm going to add my mandi. This is my mandi rice. Now I'm going to place the chicken on top of this. Now I'm going to sprinkle some golden raisin, quarter cup golden raisins. If you want, you can also add almonds, but I don't like that, so I'm not adding it. And now I'm going to garnish this with some salad, cucumbers, and lemon. So the smoked chicken mandi is ready to be served. If you like my recipe, please do subscribe and share, and also click the bell icon to keep yourself updated with my new recipes.